So I just received 2 boxes of plants that I ordered from Lowe's online. This is the second shipment. These were supposed to arrive later. They just got to me here today, so that's good news. They come with a very nice note to let you know the next steps: open and water. And also they are recommended to be open from the bottom. I'm gonna use my nice little box opener, and let's try that. See how it goes down. This one is a lavender butterfly bush, butterfly candy, Li'lLavender, and here are some notes about it. I think if we put it in the right environment, we'll thrive. So height-wise, it's approximately 15 inches. Counting the pot on the bottom. This is supposed to be a 2.5 quarts, 2.5 quarts. From the pot to the top of the plant is around 10 inches. This is what you get when you order this type of plant, Li'lLavender. I'm really hoping that it thrives. I think it will look nice in the garden.